back to the garage. I've had some beautiful weather here today, so I've been out enjoying the red Z06 Corvette. It's like been in the 70s all day, little breezy, perfect weather for driving the C5 black Corvette, but as you see, I still don't have a wheel and tire on there. I was hoping my next video was going to be the reassembly of a 3-piece wheel, but right now we are lacking a wheel lip. So instead, today's video, we're going to talk about one of those subjects on the C5 Corvettes. It seems to come up pretty often. And I'm going to show you what my solution is. The C5 Corvette came with run flat tires. They didn't ride all that well. They didn't grip all that well. So most of us, we've changed out the tires. We've gone to a non-run flat. And a lot of people have asked me over the years and said, well, what do you do if you get a flat tire? So I'm going to quickly go through this with you guys and show you what I keep in the car inside that red Milwaukee tool bag. So if I get a flat tire, and I have gotten flat tires, and I can fix them on the side of the road. Pretty much everything that I'm showing you here, you can buy off of Amazon. Matter of fact, I'll put a link to everything here that you can buy on Amazon. I think the only thing you're not going to find is the 3/4 inch extended ratchet, because that's a Mac tool, and I don't think they sell Macs on Amazon, but you don't need a Mac brand. So getting started here. Most important thing of all is get yourself a yellow safety vest, just so people can see you. Second thing, just a couple of road flares. Next thing I keep is a Pancake Jack. Nice thing about it is this particular jack comes with a ratcheting handle, so it just goes up and down real nice and easy. Next thing I keep on hand is a Bako tire pump, but you can dial in your pressure, hit go, and it'll shut itself off. It's got a really long cord, which works out pretty well. Got a couple other different attachments if you got to blow up a soccer ball or something like that, but it will get you out of a jam and it will reinflate your tire. The stick lights, or the light sticks, these things are awesome. I use them all the time. As a matter of fact, I have like 4 of these. Link to those if it's at night. Hey, you're gonna need that. And they hold a charge a really long time. Extended 3/4 inch ratchet. If you have deep wheels, 3/4 extension bar. My wheel lugs themselves are 13/16, so I keep a socket on hand, and that goes with the Gorilla Key for my lug nuts. Pair of Milwaukee work gloves. If the flat tire didn't piss you off enough, wait till you get the inside of your car all filthy dirty because you've been doing a tire on the side of the road. And then the last and most important thing of all is this right here. And this is a blackjack tire repair kit. I can't tell you how many times I've had to use this. Oops. So you got a tire reamer. That's after use a pair of pliers. By the way, you need to keep a pair of pliers in your car too. So you can pull a nail, a screw, a prison shank, whatever you got in your tire out. But you're gonna need a reamer to open up the hole. That is your plug installer. This is a container of petroleum jelly, in which case you lubricate the tire plug. Show you what those look like. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. See how sticky they are? There's your tire plug. So your tire plug comes off of there. You squeeze the end, put it in the installation tool. You dip that into the petroleum-based lubricant, and after you've rinsed the hole pretty good wherever you've pulled out the foreign object that let the air out of your parade to begin with, and then you shove that in. Hook up your tire pump, and you're back on the road again. This stuff's relatively inexpensive except for the Mac tool, but that goes in my toolbox when I'm not on the road and then goes back in the tool bag when I am. So guys, I will put links to all this stuff on Amazon. Just follow that link and go pick up one for yourself. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to leave us a thumbs up, and we will catch you all next time.